Hi everyone. Today I will be presenting Module 3-7, Students' Way of Learning using the National Textbook. Okay, we are going to look at Unit 3, that is the utilization of National Textbook and Teacher's Manual. There are about 4 objectives in this module, and I will be presenting to you by the end of the session. We hope that you will be able to, 1, give example of how students' interest, motivation, attitude are improved in the lesson. 2, give example of how students' knowledge and understanding are improved in the lesson. 3, give example of how students' skills are improved in the lesson. And 4, give example of how students' mathematical thinking are improved in the lesson. There are about 4 keywords that we should be thinking about. 1 is interest and motivation, attitude. 2, knowledge and understanding. 3, skills. 4, mathematical thinking. Now, let us look at our question before we start. What do we learn in school? Besides knowledge, what are the important competency, ability, or talents for students to learn in school? Think about what we should learn in school. All right. In a new curriculum of mathematics, students are going to learn the following. 1 is the interest, motivation, and attitude. 2, knowledge and understanding. 3, skills. And 4, mathematical thinking. There are about 7 aims of primary mathematics subject in the syllabus. For the national textbook, it is categorized into 5 categories. The first one is common category, which include providing quality mathematics education for all. The second aim of the mathematics syllabus included is making connection with mathematics and other fields. In the second category, which is interest, motivation, and attitude, the aim is to appreciate mathematics as an essential and relevant part of life. Category 3, knowledge and understanding. The aim is to become numerically literate in their daily life and to apply mathematics knowledge in their daily life. Category 4, skills. To analyze and solve problems using mathematics, to apply mathematics processes and skills in everyday life. And the last category, which is mathematical thinking, which is very important, that is to develop think and reasoning mathematically and to communicate mathematically by collecting, representing, analyzing, and evaluating information. This module focuses on the aims related to the 4 categories below the common category. Okay, example in the grade 4, unit 12, area lesson number 81. At the beginning, there is a task to think about area in relation to daily life. Students can be motivated and be interested, which can make students to develop good attitude. When we go straight to teach the area length times width, students may not really understand the meaning of area. The task in the book is designed in a way that students connect what they do every day with mathematics. Yet they think of flower beds around their classroom or so and try to think of space inside, making connections with their math lesson. After the lesson, students can understand the usefulness of square centimeter as a universal unit, which fosters the feeling of appreciation to mathematics as an essential and relevant part of life. Through the activity, they will use different ways to find the area. They will compare their ideas with textbook, characters, and as they go through, they will decide for themselves which one is better idea. They will find ways to compare the size using block of 1 square centimeter, and by using this way, they can measure and compare the sizes of everything, which makes them to appreciate mathematics. Now, in this summary, through learning with interest, motivation, attitude, they can enjoy studying mathematics. If they understand the connection with daily life, they have willingness to apply mathematics knowledge and skills in their everyday life. And when they value mathematics, their motivation to learn mathematics will be increased. All right, knowledge and understanding. Let's look at the explanation in the syllabus. Through learning, the students will acquire knowledge and understanding, and they will become numerically literate in their daily life. They will apply mathematics knowledge in their everyday life. Example, in grade 4, unit 12, area lesson number 82, after the discussion, knowledge can be obtained from their learning activities. In order to compare, universal unit is needed, which is 1 square centimeter. This is knowledge to be obtained in the lesson. The students find this knowledge after they do their activity. The new knowledge or important points are summarized in the capsule or the Kokomo box, and it becomes the summary. Through the lesson, students' curiosity and discussion will come to understand that there is a universal unit that can be used to measure area. The point is, we do not teach universal unit in the beginning of the lesson. If we do, we narrow the students' ability to think and reason mathematically. Instead, we nurture their interest and motivation and lead them to discover the new knowledge. Now, let's look at skills. Through learning, the students will develop the following skills. They will be able to analyze and solve problems using mathematics. They will apply mathematics process and skills in their everyday life. An example, in grade 4, unit 12, area lesson number 82, exercises are given after each lesson which can improve the skills. This exercise have to utilize universal unit, that is 1 square centimeter. To enhance knowledge and understanding, the students need to acquire mathematical skills. So after every summary in the textbook, we have the exercise. The students will use their prior knowledge on the area to answer the questions. Students can apply their learned skills with different types of exercise, not only to find area, but to draw the figure of fixed area. Task like this is for consolidation. They will use their knowledge, skills, and understanding to analyze and solve the task. Once students gain understanding and improve their knowledge and skills, they can advance in mathematics. In summary, to obtain knowledge and skills, that is the foundation of learning mathematics. By learning this, students can learn advanced contents in mathematics. Now, on to mathematical thinking. The textbook and teacher's manual are designed to foster these kinds of abilities. These abilities include thinking and reasoning mathematically, communicate mathematically by collecting, representing, analyzing, and evaluating information. When students are given problem as to which one is larger, A or B, they say A or B, and if they are not able to explain why, then they are not thinking mathematically. Thinking mathematically is about using the mathematical ideas to compare and able to express and communicate their ideas using direct or indirect comparison with their teacher or friends. Let's look at the example. The textbook shows various of ideas to solve problems, which can foster thinking and judging the ideas. For example, students think, which shape is larger? They can think of two ways as direct comparison and indirect comparison of ideas, of area. Students explain their own ideas to teacher or friends. By learning mathematical thinking, students can utilize these skills in their daily life and improve their zest for life. They can say, we can easily compare the sizes in our daily life. Now, here are the questions that you will be looking at to confirm if you have understood the 4 important words that I have given you in the beginning. Number 1, you are to give an activity that promotes interest, motivation, attitude in any units or your experiences. Number 2, you are to give any activity to acquire knowledge and understanding in any units or your experiences. Number 3, you are to give examples of skills in any units or your experiences. And number 4, give any example of mathematical thinking in any unit or your experiences. You may look at the teacher manual to pick up your ideas, so you can use your own experiences in the classroom. Thank you all, and that is all for today.